All right, folks, it is the 25th of August. Market's been open for 2 minutes. This is the NQ E-mini, and let's see what we're looking at. Oh, got a little problem. There we go. Oh boy. Okay, so over here, this is the ES, and here's the NQ, which I trade. Now the ES is going. It's kind of mimicking the, but right now it's not. It's definitely in the downside of that first candle. So. But my strategy is to play the first 5-minute candle. So I will put an order in above the high and we'll see what happens. But I'm really not liking the way this is not lined up or correlating with the other. This is the ES, which is the S&P 500, and the NQ is the NASDAQ. So I will be back in a couple minutes after the market opens. I mean, after the 5-minute candle. All right, things are happening so fast. My system seems to have frozen up on me. So I don't know where I stand right now. I do have my stop in, so I'm protected on the south side. But I don't like this at all, folks. I don't know. I'm going to have to either reboot or get out. And well, as far as this goes, unless I got stopped out, I'm still in the game. We'll see. Yeah, I got to do something here though. This is okay. I guess I got stopped out. So we will see what happens here, or what did happen here. So I will be back. Okay, well, I guess I did all right. I was had my order was in to sell it 10 points away, and I got in. Let's just look at it. I got in above this high, and that was 80. So I got in at 86, somewhere in there, and it went up to 97. And as far as the system, like I said, my system was freezing up on me, and it's kind of acting hokey right now. But looks like I made $205, so I'm happy with that. That was off that first 5-minute trade. Let's see, yep. So first 5-minute candle, I mean. So I'm happy with that. I'm done for the day, and I hope everybody else has a good trading day. Let me get back here. Um, yeah, nothing more to check, but that's the key right there. What I'm telling you that I do is I have a pre-programmed order. So when I put in an order, let's show you the system. See right here, it takes profit automatically at 41 ticks, which is 10 points. And at 5 points, it automatically stops me out from wherever I get in at. So like right there, my system was acting clunky, and because of all the trading that's going on, it's just acts up and it'll freeze up on you sometimes. So if you don't have a stop in there somewhere, it can take your whole account, turn it against you. You don't even know it. You can't get to it in time. So I found it's a good idea just to keep a stop in there, and then like I said, take profit. You can usually get 10 points. I like to try to get 20 points, but here lately it hasn't been doing it as quickly, so I just go on and try to take the 10. Okay, so like I said again, I'm rambling I think right now, so I will sign off and hope you guys have a good trading day.